Today we're diving into the Huawei Watch GT6 Pro, Huawei's latest flagship smartwatch that's making serious waves in the wearable tech space. Packed with groundbreaking features like a revolutionary high-silicon stacked battery, promising up to 21 days of life, wrist-based cycling power measurement, and a stunning titanium build, this watch is positioned to challenge even the most premium competitors. But does it live up to the bold claims? Let's unbox it, explore what makes it special, and share our initial thoughts. But before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button and click the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest tech reviews and updates. The unboxing experience maintains Huawei's signature premium minimalist approach. Inside the sleek box, you'll find the GT6 Pro itself, a magnetic wireless charging puck that supports fast 10-watt charging, and the essential documentation including a comprehensive quick start guide. While additional straps aren't bundled, Huawei offers an extensive collection of premium bands separately, allowing you to personalize your style. The packaging design puts the spotlight squarely on the watch, creating that premium first impression that sets the tone for the entire experience. The model I have here is the 46mm titanium variant, and let me tell you, this thing is a masterpiece of engineering. The GT6 Pro features a gorgeous 1.47-inch LTPO AMOLED display with an impressive 3000 nits peak brightness, making it easily readable even in direct sunlight. The screen is protected by sapphire crystal glass and surrounded by an aerospace-grade titanium frame that strikes the perfect balance between durability and elegance. At just 48 grams without the strap, this watch feels incredibly light yet substantial. The premium titanium construction features a military-grade waterproof design that delivers superior scratch resistance, advanced sweat anti-corrosion properties, and exceptional IP69 rating plus 5 ATM water resistance, making it virtually indestructible in any environment. This isn't just about premium aesthetics, it's engineered to handle everything from extreme outdoor expeditions and water sports to daily gym sessions, all while maintaining that refined sophistication that transitions seamlessly from trail adventures to executive boardrooms. For those seeking a more accessible option, Huawei also offers the standard GT6 in both 41mm and 46mm variants, equally gorgeous timepieces that maintain the premium design language while providing an extensive palette of color collections to match any personal style. Powering on the GT6 Pro reveals HarmonyOS 6.0, delivering what might be the smoothest smartwatch experience I've encountered. The always-on display is crisp and responsive, and the interface feels incredibly fluid with zero lag during navigation. But here's where things get really interesting. The battery performance is absolutely game-changing. Thanks to Huawei's innovative high-silicon stacked battery technology with an 867 mAh capacity, this watch delivers up to 21 days of battery life in power-saving mode, or about 12 days with typical use, including GPS tracking, health monitoring, and notifications. For fitness enthusiasts, especially cyclists, this watch is revolutionary. The GT6 Pro introduces wrist-based cycling power measurement, a feature that typically requires expensive external hardware costing hundreds of dollars, combined with the enhanced sunflower positioning system offering dual-frequency GPS. You get professional-grade accuracy for outdoor activities. The watch supports over 100+ workout modes, from traditional activities to specialized sports like trail running, golf, skiing, running, and 40-meter freediving. Health tracking has been significantly upgraded with comprehensive monitoring, including ECG readings, arterial stiffness measurements, pulse wave arrhythmia analysis, body temperature sensing, and the advanced emotional well-being 2.0 feature that intelligently monitors stress levels and emotional arousal, delivering detailed breakdowns and actionable insights to help you better understand and manage your mental wellness over time. The True Sleep Monitoring and SpO2 readings are faster and more accurate than previous generations. It also delivers comprehensive health insights by tracking your daily steps, detailed activity records, in-depth sleep analysis, complete heart health monitoring, and emotional well-being metrics, essentially providing a 360-degree view of your overall wellness. The GT6 Pro also shines in smart connectivity with crystal clear Bluetooth calling capabilities, an impressive 64 gigabytes of internal storage for your entire music library and photo collection. And when paired with Android phones or Huawei devices, you can even customize your watch face with dynamic 5-second video clips as live wallpapers, bringing a truly personalized and animated experience to your wrist. When you purchase the GT6 Pro today, Huawei sweetens the deal with an impressive bonus package, a complimentary 3-month subscription to Huawei Health Plus, which acts as your personal virtual fitness coach with an extensive library of professional workout tutorials and guided training sessions to elevate your fitness journey. Plus, you'll get 1 month of free VIP access to exclusive premium watch faces, giving you access to designer collections that aren't available to regular users. That's easily over $50 worth of added value right out of the box. Now, here is my final thoughts. After spending time with the Huawei Watch GT6 Pro, I'm genuinely impressed by what Huawei has achieved here. This isn't just an incremental upgrade, it's a significant leap forward in smartwatch technology. The combination of that incredible 21-day battery life, professional-grade fitness tracking, titanium construction, and that brilliant 3000 nits display creates a package that seriously challenges watches costing significantly more. The wrist-based cycling power measurement alone could save serious cyclists hundreds of dollars in additional hardware. If you're looking for a premium smartwatch that doesn't compromise on battery life, durability, or features, the GT6 Pro deserves serious consideration. It's particularly compelling for outdoor enthusiasts and athletes who need a device that can keep up with their most demanding adventures. If you're as impressed with the GT6 Pro as I am and want to get your hands on one, I've included the direct purchase links in the description below with the best current deals and pricing I could find. That wraps up for our full review at the Huawei Watch GT6 Pro. If you found this video informative, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you will never miss our latest reviews and exclusive content. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out!